Howdy cowboys and cowgirls, it's me Cowboy Jack. I'm here with my really good friend Jacie from Zoomin Groomin, a mobile pet spa today. Punch, come here.
Hey, go.
Wheezy cheesy. This is my boy Punch and he needs a grooming. Boy, he is stinky, Miss Jacie. You're gonna have to scrub him real hard.
Oh yes.
But I thought that'd be really cool if we could show kiddos what you do in here. I mean, a mobile pet spa. Do you do massages in there?
Sometimes.
But boy, you've been grooming my pups a long time and they just love going in there with you. So I've never actually seen in there. Woo, we got some hair flying around us. All right, well, can we check it out?
Yes, sir.
So cool. Come on, Wheezy. Wow, guys, look at that. Y'all go on up in there. Come on, Punch. And so you have like a washing table here?
Yes, we have these grates. They lower for the bigger dogs, and then we can raise them up for the smaller dogs so we don't hurt our back.
That is so cool. You do all sizes of dogs?
Yes. Yep. As long as they can fit in here, I'll do them.
What about like a Great Dane?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I've done as big as a Pyrenees.
Wow, Great Pyrenees. Those are those awesome livestock guardian dogs,
yes,
right?
Yes, they're
those
very
so
big
fun.
dogs.
And then here's where you do the grooming?
Yes, this is the table. It raises up and down for the comfort of the dogs and me.
That is so
And
awesome.
this is where all the haircuts and everything happen. So all my tools are in here. And we have a bunch of storage. Everything has to lock so nothing opens while we're moving.
Oh, I didn't think about that because you're driving this down the road.
Yes,
That's
yes.
so awesome.
Everything has to be secured down so nothing moves.
Well, Punchy, he seems like he's real eager to get a bath.
Yes, he's such a good boy. He does a really good job when he's in here.
Yeah, we showed everybody what it was like to take Punch on a walk, and now he's getting his second appearance on the show. All right, well now we've reached the moment of truth when Punchy, we're gonna see how good he can do for Miss Jacie. So I would love to see him get a bath.
All right, Punch. Punchy, come on, baby.
Come on, Wheezy Cheesy. We have so many different names for Punch.
Right here. Good boy.
There you go, buddy. You know, Punchy's been one of my best buddies for a long, long time. You know, a long time ago, we fostered him from the animal shelter and we were trying to find him a new home, but he really just decided he wanted to stay with us, right, Bobo?
You ready?
All right, so you have your own water on board too.
Yes, so the van is completely equipped with a 100-gallon water tank, and we have our own generator, so we have our own power supply. So when we roll up, we are just on our own. We don't have to use anything.
Hey, so if the power's ever out at home, do you sneak in here and cool off? I would.
Yeah, we always have that option. But yeah, it's very convenient. All right, Punch, are you ready for your bath? Good boy.
Punch, don't look so sad, buddy. You like this. See, puppies don't get baths like every day. It's only every once in a while, so they may not be crazy about water. But Miss Jacie is so good about keeping him calm and comfortable. Oh, Wheezy's getting his face all washed up. That's good, because when he eats, sometimes he licks his lips a whole lot, gets food on his face.
When you give your puppy cuddles, you want their face to smell good.
Yeah, because Punch likes to lay with his head right on my pillow.
Yes.
Sometimes he's got really interesting breath. Oh, Wheezy, that's the good stuff right there, my friend.
And I like to use this. It's almost like a little massage as they get clean.
Whoa, check that out. Oh, Wheezy. Yeah, you don't look so stressed out anymore. Well, actually, you kind of do, but...
Good boy, Wheezy.
Wow, so you have a lot of different types of soaps.
Yes, so we have conditioner, I have soaps for sensitive dog skin, I have blueberry facial, so it doesn't hurt their eyes when we use it on the face. I like this one shampoo, it really makes them smell good. Odor eliminator. There you go.
Yeah, Wheezy, you need an odor eliminator, buddy. Got that summertime dog smell going on, don't you?
Boy, we gotta clean the face. So the blueberry facial is doesn't hurt their eyes.
Oh, that's important. Yeah, you wouldn't want to get soap in your eyes, just like when we take a bath. A lot of times, so Cowboy Caden and Cowgirl Addison, they use a tear-free shampoo so we don't ever get anything in their eyes. But they still don't like soap on their face.
No, neither do puppies.
Wheezy, you're doing such a good job. Are you mad at me? You can't be mad at me. You're my best buddy. Look at that face. How could Wheezy ever be mad? You're doing so great, Bodie. So good.
And then we do the conditioner.
Oh, Wheezy, a conditioner. You're going to be nice and soft and fluffy. Don't you do that. Oh, cool. Yeah. That's the classic soggy dog move right there. I probably caused that because I always notice that dogs do it more when you touch their face or get water on their face.
Yes, yes. Yeah, they don't like it on their face, so they will start to do that.
But see, guys, this washing table is really cool because Wheezy did that shaking off and it just sprayed all that water back on that stainless steel, so it's not a big deal. It'll dry right up. He loves his massage. That is so awesome.
This also helps get the undercoat loose. So
Yeah.
when we blow dry, all that undercoat comes out.
We have one Eskimo dog puppy, and boy, she has an undercoat like you wouldn't believe. And I bet when you get like German Shepherds or Huskies in here,
Yeah.
that's a lot of hair.
Yes, and it's important to bathe those types of dogs pretty regularly to help them get that undercoat out to prevent matting.
Especially in this Texas heat. I bet they want to lose every piece of hair they can.
Yes.
Boy, it is a really hot summer. I mean, really, sometimes I have to take my hat off and just kind of, hey, are you guys laughing at my hair? All right, let me put my hat back on. Look good. Wheezy. Wow, Miss Jacie, you're wearing a really cool helmet now. What's that all about?
This is my get up for drying dogs. This protects my face from getting all their hair and anything that might be on their skin that might get in the air when I'm drying them.
That's really cool. So now you're past the washing stage and Punch needs to get all fluffed out. Mm-hmm. So cool.
So we have this high velocity dryer that shoots out some really fast air. It is loud, so sometimes the doggies get a little nervous, but a lot of them do pretty well with it. And if they don't, I just turn it down, and I have a happy hoodie that goes over their ears to muff their ears a little bit.
Oh, that is so cool. Poor Punchy, I think he's cold.
Yeah, I think he's ready to get dry.
All right. Well, don't let me slow you down. I'm sorry. I just had to ask. I love that get up. And it makes perfect sense. Anytime you're doing anything with like compressed air or a lot of moving things, like even if you're doing yard work, you always want to protect your eyes, your nose, your face. You don't want to mess that up, right?
Mm-hmm, that's very important.
Wheezy Cheesy, you're already looking better, buddy.
Hold on, hold on, baby.
Wow, and that's really cool that he's connected to that bar so he can't accidentally hurt himself in here.
Yes. Yeah, at all times they need to be, safely restrained so they don't hurt themselves.
Look at that. That just opens up so Punch can walk right out.
There's Daddy. There's
Hey,
Daddy.
buddy.
Yeah.
Right here. This is probably not going as smoothly as you planned, but he's not used to seeing me in here with him.
He doesn't know what to think with Daddy here.
Yeah. Man, Wheezy, I'm sorry I put you through this, but man, when you get out, you smell like a rock star. Well, I don't know if that's a good example. Most rock stars don't smell very good. You smell...
And this is a conditioning spray that helps dry and detangle any tangles he might have.
Wheezy, you're getting multi-stage conditioning, buddy. Wow, we had to get out of there. Miss Jacie's using that high velocity air to dry Punchy, and that hair is flying everywhere. Woo! She's got that really cool protective face gear on to keep her clean, but man, oh man, I am covered in dog hair. I thought this would be a good time to step out and get a little fresh air. All right, now Wheezy's all dry. Punchy's looking great already, but he still has to get groomed. Let's get in here and see. Whoa, wait a Miss Jacie, look at all of this hair. This is crazy.
Yeah, he put off a lot of hair.
Boy, Punchy, I didn't know you had that much hair in you, bud. Wow, actually I did, because you leave it everywhere. We have to vacuum like every single day, right? Ah, look, guys, I wish you could feel it. You feel so soft. So what's next?
So now I'll do his nails.
Ooh.
And then after that, we'll trim his paws and around the areas that y'all need me to trim.
Very cool. I know it's real important for us to take care of puppy dogs' fingernails, but I am always so worried I'm going to do it wrong, so I'm so glad you do this for us.
Yeah, it can be difficult for some people.
Well, especially when their nails are black. I think Punchy even has a, look guys, he's got all kinds of different colors of toenails. These ones are easy to see, but like this one, I don't know how long to cut it. That is scary. It's okay, Punchy. I know puppies don't always like this part. It doesn't hurt at all. They just
can be
feel nervous. Like, what's that noise?
And then I get this little device, and this helps me file the nails even shorter to help keep the quick back.
Oh, okay. Well, you're getting a full pedicure, Punchy. He's got some really thick toenails.
Yeah.
I call them his eagle claws.
Good boy.
Look at that. So you do that on all 4 feet, I guess.
Yep.
That's so cool.
And that will help him feel better when he takes his steps and walks around.
Yeah, Punchy, when you walk through the house, you won't be going clickety-clack anymore.
And then after that, we'll take the clippers. And I'll shave his pads and remove all of this hair here so he doesn't slip and slide inside the house.
Oh, yeah. He does slide around when he's chasing Jacie all over the place. A foot haircut. Look at that, Punch. We're walking in style.
And then I'll go back and I'll trim all this hair up with scissors.
Wow, you have a lot of tools you have to use.
Yes, there's a lot that we do on the puppy dog, so we need a lot of different tools to do everything.
Punch, you're getting your foot all fluffed up. See, now my buddy Vinny from Vinny's Barbershop, he cuts people's hair. That's a lot easier because we only have hair right here. You have to do the full body.
Yep, puppy dogs have to get the hair cut everywhere on them.
Do you ever groom cats?
Some groomers do cats, but I do not.
I can't imagine cats would be real happy to be in here getting a bath.
No, most are not.
Wow, guys, well, Miss Jacie, Punch looks amazing. He is so clean and fluffed up, looking ready to conquer the world, right?
Yeah.
Was he a good boy for you?
He's always a good boy for me.
All right, well, I guess he earned a treat when I take him back inside.
Yes, definitely.
Well, thank you so much for showing us how you do all this in your amazing truck. That is so cool.
Thank you for having me.
The work that you do is so fun. You keep our dogs safe, you make them smell good and look great too, so I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
And Punch, oh, you're gonna have a great day. He's feeling fresh, he's looking good. Well, guys, this has been an absolutely incredible experience, and I'm so glad you got to check this out with me. But until we see you next, hey, wait a second, Miss Jacie.
Yes.
At the end of the show, we always do the yeehaw. You think you can help me with it?
I'll try my best.
All right, guys, well, stay tuned for the next big adventure. But until we see you next time, 1, 2, 3, yeehaw!
Woo!